Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever been in a situation where you felt completely uncertain about how things were going to turn out? Maybe you're in one right now. When you're in a high-stress profession, uncertainty is something that you deal with all the time. Whether it's the unpredictability of the economy or a difficult customer or client, we often find ourselves wishing that we had more control. What if I told you that you can create certainty even in an uncertain world? Let's dive in. Certainty isn't something that exists outside of you. It's something that you create. Even when circumstances feel unstable, you have the ability to bring a sense of certainty to any situation. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this for yourself. So if you're feeling uncertain about something right now, get ready to change that because soon you'll have the tools to shift your mindset and bring clarity and confidence into any area of your life. I'd like to ask you what you're feeling uncertain about. Think about something in your life right now that's making you feel uncertain. It could be something that's challenging you in your professional life. Maybe you're wondering if your business will continue to grow or if you'll be able to retain a certain client or customer. Or maybe it's something in your personal life, like where you see yourself in the next 5 years. When you have something that you're uncertain about, I want you to ask yourself what you actually know to be true about this situation. So often we feel uncertain because we believe that external circumstances determine our future. We often think something like, if I only knew what would happen, then I would feel certain. But certainty doesn't come from knowing the future. It comes from deciding what you want to believe. If you'd like to continue listening to the rest of this podcast, I invite you to sign up for my free private podcast, where I do a deeper dive into this topic on the Mastering Your Mindset Moments podcast for high-stress professionals. When you're busy working in a high-stress profession, it's often hard to accomplish what you truly want in your life. This private podcast offers solutions that you can immediately apply to your life so that you can not only achieve your goals, but increase your sense of purpose, satisfaction, and lead a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. You can sign up at financialadventure.com/private to hear about the solutions that I provide on this topic. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.